Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating a DIY with thrifted items. Come on with me, guys. So I picked these items up at the Goodwill. Look how huge that fish bowl is. Then I got a huge clear platter, which was perfect for this bowl. And then I got one of these little old shot glasses, which I think is perfect. So you see where I'm going with this? Alright, so this video is a part of a collaboration called the Christmas Thrift Collab, and that's being hosted by @Jen's Place, and I'm merely Melissa. So all the information regarding this collaboration will be linked in my description box. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. So I turned that fishbowl over after I cleaned it all up, and I'm gonna turn that little shot glass over. I'm gonna use that permanent adhesive and then some hot glue to place that on the top as the knob to this cloche. So remember, whenever you're using a permanent adhesive, you want to allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time in a well-ventilated area. And forget about it, guys, for 2 days. Now, instead of the fix-all adhesive, I decided to use the liquid cement. So I'm hoping, because of the size of this fish bowl, we don't have any problems, but no one's going to be touching this, so it's going to be okay. So this cloche is absolutely gorgeous. It is huge. I can't wait to decorate it. Now this is my favorite part, so I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music. Now I didn't have any snow and I didn't have any Epsom salt, but I went ahead and I just shredded just to give it a bottom, some of that moss along the bottom. And now we're going to continue on with the items I'm placing in it. So, I absolutely love trees, so I had to load this up with the trees, and then I had to place a cross in there. And I found this beautiful green deer. I believe it was Dollar General, and it looks absolutely amazing. All right, it looks beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. I absolutely think this is beautiful, and I hope you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.